is a one-piece tab. Normally we see one-piece tab, two pieces or three pieces. Three pieces means the whole body. You see this one is the one piece. For this tab, it has the good sealing performance. And for two pieces tab, we just see is two pieces. And the two parts are connected with the thread. And this two pieces tab wall, it can be disassembled for cleaning or inspection. When it be cleaned, the valve must be removed from the pack completely. This one you see is a three pieces tab. You can see one piece, two pieces, three pieces. And the three pieces tab is clamped together. We use a bolt. This three pieces tab is the most expensive one, but the biggest advantage of it is we can disassemble it without remove the whole valve from the packs.